Hello everyone, welcome to the next session of ANSYS Workbench tutorial. In this session, we are going to deal with a beam which is simply supported and it is subjected to uniformly varying load. In the previous two classes, we have already seen a simply supported beam which is subjected to point load and to uniformly distributed load. First, I'll go to static structural and double click on it. I'll rename the file as simply supported beam with UVL. Next, I'll go to geometry, right click, new design modular geometry. I'll go to XY, look at, sketching, rectangle. I'll first draw a rectangle. Then I'll go to dimensions and give it some dimension now. Say the horizontal value is 50 and the vertical value is 15. Next, I'll go to extrude. The geometry is already selected. Apply. Say the depth is 5 meter. Generate. This is my simple geometry. Next, I'll go to model and double click on it. Now I'll go to mesh and sizing. I'll change coarse to fine, update. I'll go to analysis settings. One end is fixed. The other end should also be fixed. This is now simply supported beam. Now I want to apply UVL, that is uniformly varying load on this beam. For that, I will select this face on which I am supposed to apply UVL. Right click, insert, pressure. I will change normal to component and I am going to apply pressure in the Z direction as you can see. So here I will write down 2000 MPa. You can see that this is a uniformly varying load which is applied. At one end the pressure is 0 and it slowly increases to the other end where it reaches to the maximum, that is 2000. Next I'll go to solution, right click, insert, deformation, directional. I want to see the deformation in the Z axis. Right click, insert, stress, equivalent. Again right click, insert, strain, equivalent. I'll go to solution and solve. Now here you can see the result. Okay, the deformation is large compared to the model bounding box. This is an error which is shown in the system. The value of pressure is what I need to change. Okay, I didn't give the direction as minus, so I'll just give the value as minus 1000 and I'll solve again. I'll go to directional deformation and I'll see the animation. The message was still showing that the deformation is large, which means the value of pressure that I have assumed is a little larger. So I'll just reduce this to minus 500 just in case you don't want to see that error. Now you can see the error is gone, which means the pressure is within the limits and it is acceptable value. So this is my directional deformation. We can see the stress that is generated in the body. And this is the equivalent strain. So this is how a beam which is of simply supported type and subjected to UVL is supposed to be analyzed. Now here you can see the pressure I have given is minus 500. So it is showing the downward direction of the pressure loading. So this is actually what I wanted on it. So I have solved. If you want, you can solve with plus 500 value of pressure, then this graph will just show in the upward direction. So I hope you have understood the small beam analysis. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. See you in the next session. Thank you.